Oh my god, you guys, I just figured out how to use this tool.
Keep watching.
A year or two ago, I bought this Link looping pliers from Riogrande by Swanstorm to help me making repeatable shape, but I just couldn't figure out how to assemble it because it came in this box, didn't have any instruction whatsoever. I look at the video that Riogrande had and it didn't really exactly tell you how to assemble it, so I was like,
what the heck? Where am I supposed to fit this peg?
this is the Delrin one. Doesn't come with any hole. This one, the steel one, comes with holes. It comes with peg from really small to really big. The idea is you put a soldered link on it and then you pull it apart to create a shape. You use this plier to pull it apart. The back side of it doesn't have any holes.
So where am I supposed to put this?
Kind of sort of fit in there, but it doesn't look like that on the video online that Riogrande had it up. So I couldn't figure it out. I sort of forgot about it. The collection didn't happen. It's just sort of sitting on my table. Pretty sad like that. And tonight at midnight, I had a revelation. These pliers come with this little Allen head screws, and then you can take this apart.
Oh my god, like, why the heck did I not think of this before?
But yeah, you can screw the pegs off because they're not supposed, I mean, you can use it while it's in here if you want to make like smaller links, but they can be taken off. Like,
Ta-da!
Okay, so that's gone. And now you take off these little screws. All right. The screws are pretty long and it comes with this little tiny rubber band.
So here's the magic.
I felt pretty stupid. You thread the screws in there, all right? So it's in there. And then you screw it on at the bottom right here. So you fit it inside the hole and screw it in. You don't have to go very far, but that's it. You find the hole and you screw it in. It's not that complicated, right? If it's getting harder to screw, you just use this Allen wrench.
Ta-da! Oh my god, like, how? Just like how?
You can put this rubber band back in. You don't really need it. It's just nice to have because it, automatically closes like that. So yeah, there you have it.
A midnight revelation from Charisma. Peace out.
Oh, don't forget to tune in tomorrow so you can see how I use these. Oops. How I use these tools to make some links. Bye! Allen wrench screws, Allen head screws.